In this video, we'll be finding the value of x plus y plus z. So the first thing to do here is to make this to be equation 1. So this is going to be my first equation, and this is going to be the equation 2. Also, this is going to be equation 3. Now, I'm going to do something interesting here. We want to multiply our equation 1 by our equation 2. So by doing that, we have the equation 1, which is xy multiplied by yz, which is equals to 1 times 2. And this equation can be written as x times y squared times z equals to 2. Now, next is to divide. Let me make this to be my equation 4. Now, you can divide equation 4 by equation 3. Okay, now we have equation 4, which is x times y squared times z equals to 2, divided by equation 3, which is x z over 3. Now here we can see that here x is common to both sides, okay, and here we can have that our z is also being cancelled. So we have y squared equals to 2 over 3. So here, let me just put it right here. We have y squared equals to 2 over 3. Good. Also, we have multiply our equation 2 by equation 3. So our equation 2 is yz multiplied by x z, which is 2 times 3. So here we have y times x times z squared, which is equals to 6. I'm going to name this equation equation 5. Now divide equation 5 by equation 1. So my equation 5 can be written as x y times z squared equals to 6. And equation 1 is the same thing as x times y equals to 1. So here, x can cancel out x and y can cancel out y. So secondly, I have z squared equals to 6. So here I have z squared equals to 6. Next, also recall I have y squared equals to 2 over 3. I have z squared equals to 6. Lastly, we want to multiply equation 1 by 3. My equation 1 is xy multiplied by xz, which is equals to 1 times 3. And this is going to be x squared times y times z, which is equals to 3. I'm going to call this equation 6. The same way we want to divide equation 6 by 2. So equation 6, which is x squared times y times z equals to 3, divided by equation 2, which is y times z equals to 2. Y cancelled out, z cancelled out. So here I'm going to have x squared to be equals to 3 over 2. So here I have x squared equals to 3 over 2. Now, these are the 3 values for x. Okay? These are the 3 values for x. Now, to break this down, we can simplify. We are interested in looking for x plus y plus z squared. By simplification, okay, this can further be simplified as x squared, just square each of the term, plus y squared plus z squared plus 2 into parentheses x times y, the cross product of them, yz plus x, z. Rewriting this in the next slide, we have x squared, we have x plus y plus z, all squared to be equals to x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus x plus 2 into parentheses xy plus yz plus xz. Okay, now recall that my x squared is 3 over 2 and my y squared is 2 over 3. My z squared is 6 plus 2 into parentheses. If you go back to the question, equation 1 is xy, so which is 1. My equation 2 is yz, and it is 2. And my equation 3 is xz, and it is what? 3. So here we have, simplifying these two, we have over 6, and we have 9 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 into parentheses 6. So here we have 13 over 6 plus 6 plus 12. Solving this, this is equivalent to 121 over 6. That is, we have x plus y plus z all squared to be equals to 121 over 6. And we are interested in getting x plus y plus z alone. That is, if you square root both sides, then you can get rid of this square. So on this other side, we're going to have here plus or minus the square root of 121 over 6, which is the same thing as square root of 121 over the square root of 6, which is equivalent to 11 over the square root of 6. The next thing to do here is to rationalize. And how do you rationalize? Multiplying both sides, numerator and the denominator, by square root of 6, so that we can get rid of the square root. So here we can have the plus or minus 11 root 6. Root 6 multiplied by root 6 is going to give 6. So this is going to be the answer. The reason why we're having the positive side and the negative is because here we have x plus y, x times y. So there's possibility of having the negative value, and there's possibility of having the positive value. So that is what we arrive at. If you have a good suggestion or alternative way of doing this, you can put that in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.